There are things in space that scientists openly admit they don't fully understand. Not conspiracy theories, not science fiction, real discoveries. Signals we can't explain, objects that shouldn't exist, galaxies behaving in impossible ways. Today, we're not talking about basic space facts. We're diving into the mysteries that keep astronomers awake at night. Because the deeper we look into space, the stranger it gets. 1. The signal that came from nowhere. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio detected something unusual, a powerful signal from deep space. It lasted 72 seconds, then it vanished. It was so strong and so unusual that the astronomer monitoring the data circled it and wrote one word next to it: wow. To this day, it's known as the wow signal. Scientists searched the sky again and again. It never repeated. No confirmed explanation, no confirmed source. Some say it could have been a comet. Others say natural radio interference, but nothing has ever fully matched the strength and structure of that signal. For 72 seconds, something out there spoke and then went silent. 2. The star that randomly dims. There's a star about 1,400 light-years away that behaves wrong. It dims, but not like normal stars. Sometimes it drops in brightness by 20%. That's massive. Planets passing in front of stars don't cause that much dimming. Dust clouds? Maybe, but the pattern is irregular, unpredictable. For a moment, scientists even considered the possibility of a massive alien megastructure blocking its light. That idea was later ruled unlikely, but here's the truth. Even today, we don't fully understand what's happening around that star. It reminds us that the universe doesn't always follow the patterns we expect. 3. The galaxy that shouldn't exist. Astronomers have found massive galaxies forming far earlier in the universe than our models predict. According to current theories, it should have taken billions of years for galaxies that large to form. But we're seeing them appear much sooner. It's like finding a fully grown city in the middle of a desert where construction supposedly just started. Either our understanding of early cosmic evolution is incomplete, or something happened in the early universe we haven't discovered yet. And when science finds something that doesn't fit, that's when real discovery begins. 4. The cold spot in the universe. There's a region in space colder than it should be. Much colder. It's called the cold spot. It appears in the cosmic microwave background, the leftover radiation from the Big Bang. Some researchers believe it could be evidence of a massive supervoid, an enormous empty region of space. Others have proposed something far more radical, that it could be evidence of another universe brushing against ours. That idea is speculative, but here's what matters. We don't have a definitive answer, and when it comes to the origin of everything, unanswered questions are powerful. 5. Fast radio bursts. In the last decade, astronomers have detected extremely fast bursts of radio energy. They last milliseconds, but in that blink of time, they release more energy than the sun does in days. Some repeat, some don't. We now know at least some come from magnetars, ultramagnetic neutron stars, but not all of them fit neatly into that explanation. The universe is sending out flashes of energy, short, violent, and sometimes repeating. Here's the reality. We've mapped parts of Mars. We've landed probes on asteroids. We've photographed black holes. And yet, most of the universe is still unknown. The more powerful our telescopes become, the more mysteries we uncover. Space isn't silent. It isn't empty.
And it definitely isn't simple. We are a young civilization looking into an ancient, complicated universe. And the biggest discoveries? They haven't happened yet.